In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Calendly meeting seamlessly. With the rise of virtual meetings, knowing how to join a scheduled session efficiently is more important than ever. Whether you're joining a work meeting, a webinar, or catching up with friends, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're well prepared and punctual. First, let's start with something we all use frequently, our Gmail inbox. Here's your first action. Go ahead and navigate to your Gmail inbox. This is usually a straightforward task. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type Gmail into your search bar or go directly to mail.google.com. Once the page loads, log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Your inbox is the central hub for all your email communication, so it's likely you already know your way around here. After you're in your inbox, it's time to locate the specific email that contains the details of the Calendly meeting you've been invited to. This email is your key to all the necessary information required to join the meeting successfully. Look for an email that usually mentions the meeting's purpose or the sender who initiated the meeting. Clicking through your emails might take a moment, especially if you have a lot to sift through. Using the search bar at the top of the page can speed up this process. Just type keywords related to the meeting or the sender's name and press enter. Upon finding the right email, open it to view the contents. Calendly meetings are known for their ease and simplicity, so finding the joining information should be straightforward. Typically, the email will include the date, time, and most crucially, the location or link to join the meeting. Often, these meetings are conducted via platforms like Zoom or Google Meet. Let's tackle the common scenario where your Calendly meeting is hosted on Zoom. Within the email, locate the section usually labeled as Location, or directly within the meeting details. Here you'll find the Zoom link. This link is essentially your doorway to the meeting room. It's usually highlighted in blue, signaling that it's clickable. By clicking on this link, you're initiating the process to join the meeting. Clicking the link should automatically redirect you to a new tab in your browser, prompting you to launch the Zoom application. If you don't have Zoom installed on your device, don't worry, you're given the option to download Zoom or join the meeting directly from your browser. While downloading and installing Zoom provides the best meeting experience, using the browser version is a quick and hassle-free alternative that requires no installation. There you have it. Following these steps will lead you right into your scheduled meeting. Before winding up, here are a few additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. Firstly, it's wise to attempt joining the meeting a few minutes earlier than scheduled. This buffer time can be helpful, especially if you encounter any technical difficulties or if you need to install any software last minute. Secondly, always check your audio and video settings before entering the meeting. Ensuring your microphone and camera are working properly before the meeting starts helps avoid disruptions and ensures you're seen and heard clearly. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the basic functions of the platform you're using for the meeting. Knowing how to mute your microphone, turn off your camera, and share your screen if needed can make the experience much smoother for you and other participants. And that's how you join a Calendly meeting through a Gmail invitation. It's all about finding your meeting invitation, identifying the link, and ensuring your tech is ready for the call. By following these instructions, you're set to join any Calendly scheduled meeting with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you join your next virtual meeting without a hitch. Remember, with the right preparation, joining a virtual meeting is easy and straightforward. Happy meeting!